Hello, this is Humberto with One Pressure Washing, and today I got a banger for you guys. So first things first, big shout out to my wife. For my birthday, she got me a surface cleaner, and what I'm gonna start doing is the accessories or tools that I use in the videos, I'm gonna drop them below. I'm gonna drop the link in case you guys like them, or in case you guys want to start your pressure washing business, or just want to look into them. That way you guys can look into them. So let's get into the work. So this back patio took me about 50 minutes to an hour. I actually didn't charge anything. It was free, and the reason for that is because it's my back patio. The purpose of doing this back patio is to gain more skills, become more comfortable with the pressure washer, become more comfortable with the tools that I have, and also get a feeling for what I'm doing or how to pressure wash. In other words, I suggest the same thing, that if you have any doubts or you don't really know what you're jumping into, the best way to do it is just doing it. Just jump straight into it. And a best way would be doing pressure washing a family member's house, a friend's house, anybody in your inner circle. That's a great way to start. So I have this job coming up, and how I mentioned, like for me, I have doubts. Sometimes I feel like I'm going to mess something up. Most likely I'm not, but I just want to be more comfortable. Or in confidence. That way when I go there, I could just knock it out the park. But that's all the update I have for this video. Again, shout out to my wife. Thank you guys for watching. And also, if you are wanting to start a pressure washing business, or even any business at all, just jump straight into it. If you gotta practice on those people around you, whether it's their house, their cars, or whatever type of business you're into. You got it. Come on, let's get that money. Time is money. Like, subscribe. I appreciate that, and that's gonna help me out. Have a great day.